In this part, I will show you how to create a simple new footprint. In the previous part, we created a simple symbol, which was a resistor-like component with 2 pins. We need to create a footprint with 2 pads to link those symbol and footprint together. So let's go to the footprint editor. And now, first thing, we need to choose a demo in the demo library. There we will create a new footprint. So the new footprint command is here in the toolbar. Footprint will be named demo01. Footprint type will be SMD. You can choose a through hole for THTs and other for logos, navigation marks on the PCB and similar things. So I will keep SMD. Now we have our empty footprint with a few attributes here, and I will do a quick save to be sure that everything is fine. Here is our new footprint, and we need to place pads. New pad command is here. I will place only first one. Now I will hit the escape button because I need to edit the properties of the pad. So by pressing the E key, I will go to the pad properties. The pad number is 1, which is correct. I need only rectangular. Pad size will be 1.5 in the X axis and 3 in the Y axis. And the position of the center of the pad number 1 will be -2.5 at the x-axis, so the epsilon offset will be 0. Now the pad is placed exactly as we want. Here is the origin of the coordinates, here is center of the pad. Now you can see here are the coordinates in the system, and the center is -2.5 and in y-axis is 0. Now I can place the second pad, for instance, completely randomly, and in the pad properties I set again symmetrical to the origin of the coordinates, so 2.5, and y will be 0. The pad size will be the same as the size of the pad 1. Now I have 2 pads symmetrically to the origin of the coordinates, and I will need to place at least 3 things. Something in select screen layer, something in fabrication layer, and something in courtyard layer. I will start with the fabrication layer, and as I said, we have something like resistor, so I will draw a rectangle in the fabrication layer. Now we need a placer for the reference, which is $sign and R, capital R, in the fabrication layer. So place it in center of the footprint. Now we need to place the courtyard layer. I recommend to always draw slightly bigger shape than the fabrication layer, and in the select screen layer we can draw something like this to mark the pin number 1. There will be a line along the shorter side, and here is our new footprint. I need to arrange the placer for the reference designator. Here is the reference in the new footprint. So the %R was useless, so I need to delete it and place the dollar reference in brackets in the center of the footprint. Here is the name of the footprint. Now we are finished with our new footprint. This was completely artificial footprint, but I believe you will be able to draw your own footprint according to the datasheet, and your footprint will be perfect. Thank you and happy designing!